Hey guys, exciting day today. We are going to be installing these brand new Carbon Imports carbon fiber front canards on my 2018 S5. Now, there are three things that I want to go through with you really quick. One, full disclosure, they sent me these. These are a brand new prototype design, so we are testing fitment and installation as you are watching live right now. Number two, I would recommend first prepping the surface to get rid of any wax or dirt, anything like that. I used isopropyl alcohol. You can get this at any local grocery store. And number three, I already removed the red protective backing from the 3M tape that comes pre-installed on these canards. Now I've got the Carbon Imports rear wing, which I'll show you after this. It has stuck on perfectly for the past couple of years, so I'm really not concerned about these, but that's part of what we're trying to find out here. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the installation in real time. Hopefully they fit well, they go on smoothly, and we're going to see how they look. I am super excited. Excuse any wind noise, there is a storm coming in, so we're going to try to beat that here as well. Start with this side here. Now I have to line up where these are going to fit right in the bumper. You can see that they go along with the body line and fit perfectly right here in the fog housing. So if we line this up, nicely press, install. Now, that feels good, very solid, and it fits the body lines perfectly, which is what Carbon Imports wanted to know in the first place. So far you guys, 2 thumbs up. Second side, sometimes they're not the same, so we'll see how this goes. Come over here. Seated on very well. Very nice. These fit great. The big concern about these is the security, because I've actually lost 2 sets of these off of eBay because they flew off on the highway. But these feel really tight, really secure, and they fit the body lines perfectly. So 2 thumbs up to Carbon Imports. Thank you guys for sending these, and I'm going to take you on a quick walk around on the rest of the car to check it out. Talk to you soon.